Here, this is the beta mini tester. We specially designed to test the 12 hours battery for the small duration only. By using this beta tester, we can discharge up to 10 to 100 amps only. Here, we connected two batteries in series. Before connecting beta tester to the battery, make sure that beta tester should be in off condition only. Make sure that beta tester should connect it to the battery in proper polarity. That means black to the negative and red to the positive terminal. Okay. Then switch on the system after connecting to the batteries. Now system is on. Here the beta tester will show the four options. First one is test duration, second one is set age, third one is start test, and fourth one is calibration. To select the test duration, go to first option, that is can go by up arrow or number one option. To enter the menu, press enter below the C button, then you will see the enter test duration. Now you can select up to 1 second to 30 seconds. Now I am selecting 10 seconds. After selecting 10 seconds, press enter button. Then it will show the menu. After selecting the time duration, to select the age, go to second option, that is set age. We can go by using up and down arrow or number 2 button. After selecting 2, press enter. Then it will enter into the option like set age. Now I am selecting 150 age. After selecting the desired age, press enter button and it will come again back to the main menu. After selecting the age, to start the test, go to third option, that is start test. You can go by up and down arrow or number 3 by pressing number 3 button. After selecting 3, press enter. The test will start now and the display will show like this: run test, set test duration and voltage. After completing the test, the display will show as OCV, that means open circuit voltage 12.4 voltage, initial voltage and end discharge voltage, and the result will be good. That means the voltage will vary depend on the battery condition. After completing test, the number of tests is shown in the test completed line, that is 0. After completing test, press enter button to come back main menu. Now I am giving another test with different values, that is test duration. Now I am selecting test duration as 20 seconds. And age as 200 age. After entering test duration age, go to third option and press enter to start the test. Now the display will show like this: run test, set age, test duration and running voltage. The time I given as 20 seconds. In the meantime, don't power interrupt. Now the display will show as like this: the number of tests shown in the test completed line. Now I have test 2 tests. That means the count will start from 0. The count is 1. That means I have tested 2 tests now. The result is normal. To see the data from beta tester to system, insert pen drive in the pen drive slot, which is right side of the on button. Then press C button to transfer data to the pen drive. Don't remove the pen drive until menu is come. Now menu is came. So now power off the system and remove the pen drive. After test completion of one battery, remove the battery terminals and connect to other battery terminals simultaneously. And battery should remove terminals like this and should connect to the battery in this way. And make sure the system in off condition only. And one more important thing this, and those don't connect battery in this way by removing negative terminal to other battery which is in series.